Hello there. To start off the new year, I've got a new control mechanism for the power armor. Because I was using pre-built double pull, double throw switches, just because of their very nature, they had a tendency to get stuck in either on or off position, and that did not make for good, control. But now I've made some homemade slider double pull, double throw switches, which seem to be working a lot better, at least in my bench test. There's 4 switches integrated into this. You can slide the handle forwards and backwards, which will move the elbow actuator. Slide the handle from side to side, which will control the actuator to lift the arm outwards. You move it up and down to move the arm forwards. And finally, you twist it from side to side to make the elbow twist outwards. Now that might sound confusing, but it'll make a lot more sense when I have this thing wired up, which will hopefully be in the next few days. Make a properly semi-edited video about that. There's 4 outputs for this thing for each of the linear actuators. A pair of wires here, 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 and here. And finally there is the power input right here. This is going to be, of course, at the end on the forearm, and I'm probably going to have to make a small bit of structure to actually get it so the hand of the pilot rests in a proper position. So, you know, the handle doesn't start floating away out of the pilot's reach when they're moving it. Because that was actually happening with the previous version. So, it's a bit more complicated, but hopefully the controls will work out a lot better. And you can look forward to the upcoming videos where I'm going to be, installing this, testing out, and also a modification to Marduk. I know she hasn't been touched in a little while, but the modification has been going a little rough because I had no idea what I was doing, but it is something you can look forward to. So remember, always try to keep control over your projects. Bye-bye.